One of the best ways to improve the air quality in your home is with an ultraviolet light air purifier. Let me tell you about it. Hi, I'm Brent with Western Heating+Air+Plumbing. I've been in this industry for about 12 years, and one of my favorite products that I use in my own home is the Remy Halo LED. This technology works in 3 ways to purify the air in your home. First of all, this product sanitizes the air by killing any airborne viruses or bacteria as it passes through the cartridge. Second, it produces a hydrogen peroxide vapor that's distributed throughout your whole home through your ductwork, landing on surfaces and sanitizing them. And third, it combines smaller particles into larger clumps that are easier to filter through your furnace filter. I've noticed a vast improvement in our own indoor air quality. My son's allergies have improved vastly, and we've had fewer sick days. If we can improve the indoor air quality in your home, please reach out to Western Heating+Air+Plumbing. We'd love to have a conversation.